All of you wanting to learn about accounting. Welcome to this video. Today I will illustrate the fundamentals of accounting by telling the scenario of a person establishing a new business. The story will make you off to a better start as a business owner and as well in understanding accounting basics. And if you want to learn more, I only ask you to like and subscribe to the channel in case you have not done so, and above all that you share this video with a friend that it's eager to learn as much as you. Are you ready? Let's go. Jerry Smart is a wise man who recognizes the need for a local auto repair shop in his town. He's a car enthusiast who loves to discuss their mechanics, owns 2 old classic cars, rebuilt by his own hands, and often helps his friends with quick fixes on their cars. He has investigated his concept and created a business plan that demonstrates the feasibility of his new venture. Bad conditions on roads leading to the town as potholes, construction zones and slick roads have increased car accidents and failures. Only 2 other repair shops are available in 10 kilometers radio, and they are permanently fully booked. Joining his findings to his passion for cars, Jerry decided to take his risks and visited an attorney, Paul, to evaluate the best business structure for him. Let's recap. Jerry wants to set up an auto repair shop. Has a business plan. Seeks support from business partner experts. Given his individual scenario, they determined that a corporation would be the best option and Jerry settles on the name Fix Up Car Incorporated for his company. He is also advised by the attorney on the different permissions and legal documents that will be required for the new corporation. Jerry is a diligent worker and a clever man, but he acknowledges he is not comfortable with accounting subjects and wants to oversee closely his financials. He expects to utilize accounting software, but he wants to consult with a professional accountant before making a decision. Let's recap. Paul. Legal entity, incorporated. Company name, Fix Up Car Incorporated. Permissions and legal documents. As Jerry wants to understand the financial accounts and stay on top of his new venture, he asks his banker to propose a professional accountant who is also good at explaining accounting to those who do not have a background in it. Peter, an accountant who has guided many of the bank's small business customers, was recommended by his banker. At his first meeting, Jerry explains his plans for the shop and asks Peter for an overview of accounting, financial statements and the need for accounting software. Peter estimates that thousands of transactions will take place each year based on Jerry's business model. Accounting software, he claims, will enable the computerized recording and retrieval of those numerous transactions and Jerry will be able to prepare the financial statements and other reports he will require to manage his firm. Jerry is confused, so Peter shows him 3 instances of transactions that his firm must record. 1. Jerry will almost certainly start his firm with some of his own money and as so he is, in effect, purchasing common stock shares. 2. The company will incur expenditures as purchase a reliable vehicle lift and air compressor, as wages, inventories and so on. 3. The company will start charging customers and invoicing them for fixing engine components and the fees received will be collected by the company. Jerry is wise to begin utilizing accounting software straight away, considering thousands of such transactions in a given year. The software will produce sales invoices and accounting entries at the same time, generate statements for clients, update accounting records automatically, and so on, quickly adding value to his business and free Jerry's time to focus on core operations of this business. Jerry will benefit from quick and simple access to the exact information he will need to make informed business decisions if he develops the practice of entering all of the day's business transactions onto his accounting software. An accounting system that allows for automated data entry can save on the company's costs for other important needs. As manual calculations have a higher risk of errors, the automated system will increase accuracy, save on the time spent performing data corrections, and easily spots errors as duplicated invoices. As maintaining proper books of account is a legal requirement for all companies, the system will also help on making the company tax compliant, due to his inbuilt tax rules, thus avoiding penalties, and will reduce the paperwork and improve sustainability. Let's recap. Peter. The accounting software will produce sales invoices and accounting entries at the same time, and generate statements for the clients. Quick and simple access to financial statements, enabling business decision-making. Peter has dealt with other small business owners who believe that merely knowing their firm generates $50,000 during the year is sufficient. Those were the ones that got off to a bad start and end up back in Peter's office asking for further financial advice in order to save their businesses. And now, let me know if you think Jerry made the right decision in setting up a business plan? And to consult with experienced business partners? Would you have done something different? Comment below and let me know your thoughts and questions. I will read all of them. I want you to know that it was great to do this video, and if you have enjoyed and you have still not subscribed to the channel, today is the perfect day to do so by clicking on the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching and, yeah, I will see you again soon.